What's going on, guys? We're going on another road trip. We're going to take a break from the standard automotive related videos to test the new GoPro 8 using the time warp function. See what it looks like. If you are here for the automotive, don't worry, we're going to get back to that as soon as I get back from Nashville. Got a couple projects coming up. The first one, as soon as I get back, is shocks and struts on a 2012 Lexus SUV. After that, we're going to be doing complete front end rebuild on this 2003 F-150 FX4. On this trip, we're going to be traveling from right here, Wichita, Kansas, all the way over here, Nashville, Tennessee. It's about a 10.5, 11-hour drive. We're going to be going straight through. About to go in here. I'm sure they have a couple cars in here at least.